Hello, today we're going to be doing eyelash extensions. All you want to do is put the glue like mascara and start putting the clusters on your eyes. Now I already did one eye. Now I'm going to do the other eye and show you guys closely on how I do it. So it's very simple. Again, you brush the glue on. And you have to work rather quickly because it does dry. You do want it a little bit tacky though. So here you see right on the water line, I'm putting it. And this is how the eyelashes will stick to your eyelashes, but they do start at the water line. And once you guys get the hang of this, it's very quick. Now I'm just going to be pressing my eyelashes onto the eyelash extensions, and I will be sealing it with this applicator. This just ensures that it's not tacky anymore. Now I have been loving this tint peel off for my eyebrows. That way I'm not constantly filling them in. Then I'm just gonna top it off with just some lip gloss by Maybelline. Gonna take out my alligator clips and just fix up my hair here. And so this is the video that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and share with your girlfriends. Until next time, bye.